The cracks are because when the mud dries, it shrinks and it pulls away from itself. So it starts off wet and it gets puffy, and then when the water dries, it contracts, and so it makes gaps. Same thing happens in Nevada with the Basin and Range Mountains. Except it's not water drying out there. Lots of bumps on the Pulgas Ridge trail. It's called skipping?
Yeah.
I'm in image stabilization mode right now, so I'm not going to skip myself. That's our dog. What's going on down there? Let's go find out.
Let's go camp and run away from them. Run away before they get you. Dad.
There's the bridge. Oh no, it's just a railing.
How long ago was it when?
Dad.
We're on the turn.
Dad.
Uh-huh.
You're a good skipper, Adam.
You're a good skipper, Adam.